In this video, we'll show you how to restore the default user account picture in Windows 11. Sometimes, you might have set a custom picture and want to go back to the original one. Let's open your account settings in Windows. Click on your info. Under Adjust Your Photo, click Browse Files to choose a new picture for your account. In the address bar, type this and press Enter to go to the Program Data folder. Go to this folder. Inside, you'll find the default user picture. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.